Often, when we think of volcanoes, we imagine lava shooting into the air. Our minds are filled with fantastic images of red liquid flowing across the ground. However, volcanoes can erupt in a variety of ways. This presentation will cover the different types of volcanoes and how they erupt. There are three main categories of volcanoes. We have the cinder cone, shield, and composite. Each one creates a different type of explosion and has a distinct form. The first volcanic formation we will talk about are composite volcanoes, also called stratovolcanoes. These volcanoes are formed by alternating layers of lava and earth and rock. This is the reason they're called composite. This type of volcano is created when lava flows are covered by earth and rock. After time, more lava flows and covers the earth. This continues until the volcano is formed. These types of volcanoes have very gently sloping lower slopes. However, as you get closer to the top and closer to the summit, the sides become steep and hard to climb. These volcanoes often have explosive eruptions with debris and gas clouds that shoot into the air. Some examples of composite volcanoes are Mount Hood in Oregon, Mount Rainier, and Mount St. Helens in Washington. The next type of volcano is a cinder cone volcano. These small volcanoes form quickly and also have a massive explosive eruption. These volcanoes are created from cinder rock that falls to the earth after an explosion and gathers around the bend of the volcano. The sides have a very steep slope and are usually no taller than 300 yards. That's 3 football fields. These volcanoes have a very short lifespan and are often created in groups. These are the most common volcanic landforms. A great example of a cinder cone volcano is Piracutin in Mexico. It was born on February 20th in 1943, and in a cornfield it grew 300 feet in only 5 days. It then went extinct. The last type of volcano that we will discuss is the shield volcano. These volcanoes have a very quiet eruption and they produce the lava flows that we think of when we think of the flowing lava. They are usually very wide and have a very gentle slope. In fact, you may not even realize that you're changing elevation when you're on one of these volcanoes. These volcanoes resemble a warrior shield. They have a concave shape. This is why they're called shield volcanoes. Many of Hawaii's volcanoes are shield volcanoes. Now it's time for a quiz. Look at this first image and tell me what kind of volcano you think this is. That's right. This is a composite volcano. Note that the sides have a gentle slope at first, and then the higher you get, the steeper they are. Now look at this image. What kind of volcano is this? That's right. This is a shield volcano. Note the gentle rise and the shield-like shape. Now look at this last image. What kind of volcano is this one? Fantastic. This is a cinder cone. Note the steep edges and the smaller size of the volcano.